Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Heroine of the Black Moonlight Always Want to Mark Me, chapter 36. So here it is. Let's read the story. God, this one is Buzz. The director said, it seems that everything is working on. Teacher Gu, you have made a great progress now. I almost couldn't catch up with your performance just now. Well, all Shigen said to Guyu, thank you. Don't force yourself to praise me. Director, if there's no more scenes for me later, I'll go back first. Guyu said to them. Okay, you worked hard today. I'll give you a day off tomorrow so you can have a good rest, the director said to Guyu. After speaking with the director, finally she walked away, but Sue noticed something. Well, this time, why suddenly she became deep when seeing Guyu that she wants to walk away and also to go back. Isn't she going to wait for me today? But it seems that she went outside. She was walking around and something she was carrying when she go back. What do you think? What is it? Guyu said. Stop drawing and eat first. So it turns out she came back to her shop and just to give her secretary a food. Boss, I haven't been studying for a few years and have been learning from your design drawings, but I always feel that my design is still far from yours. I've seen your design drawings and you actually already developed your own style. As an independent designer, you can learn from others, but the core is still your own design concept. You're right, and I understand. Boss, our studio has received many orders from big brands. Would you consider hiring a brand spokesperson to increase our visibility? Who do you think is suitable? Well, Kuyu suddenly asked her assistant. Well, what could it be? At this moment, I think Sue is particularly suitable. She has great looks and potential, so it turns out her assistants are really into Sue. If we can reach an agreement, it will be a good move for us to expand in the market in the future. Sue will become a movie queen in the future. Communicate according to your ideas as long as we can ensure that we will not suffer any loss. Well, Kuya said to her assistant. Now, it makes sense. Her assistant said, no problem, but why suddenly? Kuyu, she looks different. Could it be that she was thinking something? Actually, I also have a selfish motive. If I become a spokesperson, Sue can shine on the stage wearing the dress designed by me. It feels like we are walking side by side. Oh, what are you laughing at now? It seems that Julia planned this for so long, but what do you think? Nothing much, just thinking that we can do better and better. Quickly, I'll go back to the set after your report on your work during this period. Well, suddenly she paused and stopped. What do you think? What happened? Could it be that there's something wrong on the set? Don't you want to shoot anymore? I've done it 3 times and I still make a mistake in positioning. The director, it seems to be getting angry for the two of them. Well, for these two, we really knows that they're not been together and always have a confrontation, but at this moment, they're really on work. They should act professional and also not to make things worse than. Well, let's solve. Lu Yang, you're going out on a date, not attending a funeral. What are you thinking about? Sorry, it's my fault. Can I take a 10-minute break? Lu Yang said to the director, I see that you haven't been in a good shape since Kuyu left. Sue, you too, hurry up and adjust yourself. The director said to them, well, Sue, she's been looking at Lu Yang. Well, suddenly, someone was calling her, Sue, Sue. When she looked back, she looks like she was really in trance. Could it be that Someone is approaching. So it turns out Kuyu. Sure turn. Sue, are you done with the filming? I'm done here. Let's go home together later. Well, Kuya said to her. So it turns out she came back and wait for her. Well, Sue, look at her. Suddenly, she become happy. Yes, I also asked Aunt Lynn to cook your favorite dishes. Now, it makes sense. She looks really happy after seeing Kuyu that she returned back, so just the two of them can go back home together. By the way, ask directors if he can give you a day off tomorrow, so we can go out and play. Kuyo suddenly said to Sue, so it turns out she really wanted to be with her. Well, Sue, suddenly she becomes speechless after hearing what Kuyo said to her. All she can said, but this thing, Luyang, she came back just to see Guyu again. Little Guyu, didn't you go back home? Could it be that you miss me? Don't be so. Just go and film. I don't miss you at all. Not only did you finish work early, but now you are ordering me around. Luyang said to her. Well, Sue, it seems that she is getting angry. Moreover, she becomes jealous, right? Staring at the two of them, why they always pestering Guyu. If you only could never appear in front of Guyu again. Now, it makes sense. She is really getting jealous. Sue, Luyang, have you rested enough? Let's get ready to start filming. The director said, well, this is really tough, right? Guyu said, Sue, go ahead. I'll wait you for here. Okay, I'll do it as soon as possible. Sue said to her, well, let's hope that the two of them are successfully can able to film clearly without any hesitation that the film were really successful. After leaving them away, Kuyu, she was sitting outside. It seems that she was dozing off. She feels so relaxed. After Sue, she came in. Kuyu, wake up. It's time for us to go home. Well, finally, the shooting has been done, and the two of them can go back home. Will be over soon. Well, Kuyu suddenly said to Sue, let's see what's gonna happen. Is there any place you want to go tomorrow? Kuyu suddenly said to Sue, so it turns out she's been planning on what the things are doing next day. Now, she moved closer to her. Why are you asking me out before you made up your mind? Well, it seems that Sue surely wanted to tease Kuyu at this moment. Look at her. She moved closer to her and almost teasing her. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!